Today we're going to build the Osborn model kit rail stops. There's a set of 6 included in here. Product number 1038. Start by taking out the 2 outer pieces. There's one half. There's the other half. We'll put that piece aside and we'll grab the center piece. Essentially what you're doing is sandwiching the pieces together. Tweezers are something that you definitely want to have for this. And using a little bit of white glue, the weld bond glue is what I like to use. I've already put a little bit on a little tray here. Just put a little bit on the outside and grab your inner piece and place it on there and just align it a little bit. There we go. I'll put that down. I'll pick up my other piece. And it's going to go that way. I'll put the glue on this side. Turn it over. Drop that on there. And we'll just line it up. And there we have the first part of your rail stops. We're going to let that dry for just a minute. So what we're going to do now is put on the little outer flange pieces. It's these little guys right here. Again, using just a little bit of white glue. I'm going to use a knife just to hold this down so it doesn't move. A little bit of glue along there. And take my little flange piece and pop it on the side. Get on there. There we go. And then we'll just line it up. And then we'll turn it over. Do the other side. A little bit of glue on it. Even what you can do is use a knife like that. And then put it on. And there you go. You have your rail stop, the slot in there in order for it to slide over top of the rail.